This is me standing in front of my $1 million fitted furniture business. This wasn't just a dream, it's a business I bought. I made it happen with seller financing, a bank loan, and a small deposit from my own pocket. Would I finance it the same way again? Probably not, but here's the truth. My journey wasn't luck, it was a plan. And if I can do it, so can you. Are you ready to buy your first $1 million business? When I started looking for a business to buy, I was in my 40s. I was the managing director of an elderly care business, but deep down I had a bigger dream. I was tired of the endless arguments with my fellow directors. I'd had enough. I wanted freedom. I wanted control, but I also wanted to be my own boss. 2 years later, I owned a $1 million business 100% outright. And the best part, the day I took ownership, the cash started flowing immediately. This business was already generating over £100,000 in sales every single month. But let me be honest, the road here wasn't easy. It took me over 2 years to figure it out. I made mistakes, big ones. I relied too much on business brokers instead of reaching out to owners directly. I took out a business bank loan and even signed a risky personal guarantee, putting everything on the line. And it cost me time, money, and a lot of stress. Would I do it the same way again? Absolutely not. But if I had to do it all over again, I'd follow the 5 steps I teach today. These 5 steps are built from my real world experience, from every win and every mistake I made along the way. They're designed to save you time, avoid the pitfalls I fell into, and help you secure a better deal faster. But I didn't stop there. I even created business buying software to make financial analysis and business valuation easier and faster. And here's the best part, you can use it too. But despite all the mistakes, was it worth it? Absolutely. Why? Because now I get to teach you everything I learned, the wins, the failures, and the shortcuts I wish I knew. And since I love teaching, it's a win-win for both of us, which is why I started this channel, to inspire you. I'm here to share every lesson, the good, the bad, and everything in between. I'm here to help you skip the guesswork and fast track your journey to becoming your own boss. No more answering to anyone else. Achieving financial freedom where money works for you. Owning your dream business, something you're proud of. Building a valuable asset, one that pays you big when you sell it. Let's make it happen together. On this channel, you'll find step-by-step guides on buying your first $1 million business. Clear, practical advice, no fluff and no confusing jargon. Proven strategies that actually work in the real world. If you're dreaming of owning a $1 million business, let me help you do it. Hit that subscribe button and let's turn your dream into a reality together. Let's do it.